Got some stir-fried rice, veggie stir-fried rice, and I don't have any soy sauce, so I figured I'd have a cat walk around, and I figured I'd dig into my little treasure trove of sauces I've been collecting in my cupboard. Got some mild Taco Bell sauce and Diablo Taco Bell sauce. We got some Arby's horseradish. That looks like Hardee's horseradish. I've got Arby's horsey sauce. Got a pack of ketchup. Got Arby's Bronco berry sauce. Got Captain D's cocktail sauce. I've got some organic U.S. grade A raw honey, rainforest strained product of Brazil. I figure we have some fun. What do you think? Need a can of Mountain Dew, of course. Wash it all down. Let's get to work here. What do you want to try first? I'm thinking Bronco berry. Kind of interesting. Get away. Of course, I got cats looking at me. There's a cat behind the camera. Two cats back here behind the camera. That way, we'll let the cats sniff that. Here you go. Keep them occupied. All right. Arby's Bronco berry sauce. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes just situations like this, you start experimenting. You never know what you might find, you know. You might find something that's delicious. Let's have a taste here. Not really. What does that taste like? That tastes like, what does that taste like? It tastes real familiar. Can't figure out what it tastes like. It's real sweet. It's too sweet. Not bad though. Not bad. I don't think I want to do it again. Oh no, this is stuck to a cat's tail. Get that out of here. Okay, yeah, I don't think I want to do that one again. No. Not bad, but not great. Not something I want to try again. Let's do some Arby's horsey sauce. What do you think that's gonna taste like? Let's have this one. Look at that. It looks like a slug. That's already a bad start. It looks like a slug you'd see crawling out in the rain on the sidewalk. Yummy. Nah. No. No go. No go on the horsey sauce. Definitely not. Yuck. Ugh. Oh, that's awful. That does not go with stir-fried rice. Nope. So, I guess we'll just go ahead and save this one from Hardee's. No sense in wasting that one. Oh, well, that's not good at all. Yuck. Alright, so I'll rate them. There's the best one so far. Horsey sauce. It's gross. I'll show you the ratings later. Alrighty, let's try Captain D's cocktail sauce. Oh, that just popped open, hit me right in the eyebrow. And wipe it off my forehead. I don't know if the camera caught that or not. Let's try some cocktail sauce. This would be kind of like a it doesn't really taste like a real cocktail sauce. It's kind of got a different, interesting. No, there it is. Now it tastes like cocktail sauce. I think I had a horseradish stuck on my lip. Let's try this. Nah. I think with some of these sauces, you just get so used to having that like on seafood products, and the horse sauce would be like on a meat sandwich, and I'm not sure what you do with that, but I think sometimes we get so used to putting certain things on certain dishes. It just doesn't seem right to be on something else, you know. But it wasn't too bad. That's definitely better than the horsey sauce. Let's try some ketchup. That's not bad. It's not good. Not good. Not bad. It's edible, I guess. Won't do that again, though. Okay, horsey sauce is in the last place. Put ketchup. Ketchup's here. Taco Bell Diablo. Let's see, get that all that ketchup. I got all the ketchup out of there. Oh, that definitely belongs on a taco. Oh, shoot, that's a lot hotter. Wow. I've never had one be that hot before. Huh. I usually put that in my tacos and my burritos. I've never had one that hot before. You know what? That sauce is usually pretty lame. I wonder if that's been sitting in my cupboard so long that it's it's aging or something. Does that make sense? Wow, that's burning my tongue, man. That's the hottest one I've ever. I've never had Taco Bell sauce do that. Wow, that's legitimately hot. Huh. Oh, I should have done that one last. That's gonna mess up my exquisite palate. Okay, shoot, I should have saved that one for last. Darn it. So far, horsey sauce is definitely the grossest. Diablo, it's just too hot, man. Shoot. Let's do the mild sauce. Taco Bell mild sauce. They're not too bad. My tongue and mouth is still on fire. Not on fire. It's not that hot. But the Diablo sauce is going to be something that's going to be sticking with me for about another 15 minutes or so. You know how that aftertaste on your tongue? That taco, that's not bad. That's more like a real taco sauce there. So I'm actually going to put that. I'll put that second place. That's not bad. There we go. Let's see. That's about right. So far, berry sauce is hanging in there. Bronco berry sauce hanging in first place. We've only got one contender left, folks. I know how exciting this is getting. I have a hunch the honey's gonna be good. That was my original choice. For those of you that might have watched my honey salmon video, I didn't realize honey salmon was actually the thing after I made it, and it was so scrumptious. I looked on the internet and honey salmon is actually a real popular dish. I didn't know that. I was just making stuff up. But here's some honey. That's some good honey too. That's a Walmart product. Organic rainforest strained product of Brazil. That's an interesting looking bee. I wonder what kind of bee makes that. That's not a honey bee. That's not a honey bee. This looks like a yellow and black insect of some sorts. Yellow jacket type looking guy on there. You know what? That's not very good. No. I thought it would be better. Nah. Honey does not belong on stir fry. But I'm still gonna put it right here. Fourth place. Fourth out of seventh, what do you think? So the winner of the veggie fried dinner, Bronco Berry. Make sure this wasn't throwing me off here. Let's try it one more time. You gotta verify the winner. Maybe. In conclusion, they're all gross. If you're ever wondering, which I'm sure you probably weren't, which one of these would go good on veggie stir-fry rice, Bronco Berry sauce, Taco Bell mild sauce, Captain D, this is like a Long John Silver type place, cocktail sauce, ketchup, Taco Bell Diablo, horseradish, or honey. If you're ever wondering, they are all disgusting. Well, not disgusting. You know what? I might actually, I think this is going to be a tie. We got a tie for first place. The mild taco sauce. They're acceptable levels of gross. The rest of these are, cocktail sauce was not bad, but those four, they're pretty gross, man. Pretty gross. That one's not great. These two are not great either. The grand champion, it's a tie. It's overtime. No, it's not overtime. I'm just gonna enjoy what I got here. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed this stupid little show. Thanks for joining. I guess maybe somebody got something out of this. Quiet your coop, knock it off. Vitz says hi, everybody. One more time, Vitz. That's it. All right. As always, thanks for watching. Awesome.